Hello, my name is Gail Macleod and I'm a musician, facilitator and coach. And I'm a founder director of Soundcastle. We are an arts organisation that nurtures musical communities and supports other musicians and creatives to do the same through training and coaching. We're delighted to be joining the Exhale Festival online, and we'll be offering a session that gives you space to consider what drivers really motivate you to get out of bed in the morning, and then we'll think deeply about this, about how you can use this understanding to make better business decisions. We might call this creative enterprise. Since becoming a business owner and also during my own performing career, I've become aware that being a musician is, it affects every corner of your existence. It is about a whole life, when you think about that way forward. And when we started running creative enterprise sessions for our own workforce, who are generally freelancers, we found there was this great feeling of relief at being given space to consider what it is that's motivating them in their career decisions and also in their project plans. In my experience as a director at Sandcastle and also as a teacher of creative enterprise at Guildhall School of Music and Drama in London, I find that musicians are actually fantastic entrepreneurs and amazing project managers, managing to make projects happen on a shoestring while juggling a whole myriad of relationships at the same time. However, we're not necessarily as good at making space to check in with ourselves, that we're really staying true to our core motivations about why we choose to do what we do. In our sessions, we'll be using a framework that's adapted from the human drivers theories from Paul Lawrence and Nita Noria of Harvard Business School. And by the end of the session, we hope you'll have reconnected or even challenged the ideas you have about why you do what you do. And we'll begin to make an action plan that you can take forward so that you can begin to make a whole life that honours you as a musician. If you're interested in joining us, you can find the sessions at the Exhale online on Saturday the 2nd of May at 11 a.m. or on Friday the 8th of May at 9 a.m, both London time. All the details are on the Exhale website, which is the-exhale.com. If you want to connect with Sandcastle, please find us on Twitter, Facebook or Instagram, whichever you prefer. And I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.